From the sights to the sounds, every moment here at Slamology is sure to leave your hair standing straight up.
What is up, trappers? Check it out. We are here in Indianapolis, Indiana at Slamology. Check it out. We rode down with Big Sherman to Pontiac. Chuck, he's here hanging out, and Blaze. Guys, there's so many cool cars and cool trucks here. We are having a blast today. All right, guys, this is what it is. Let's check this out.
Roll some gas, ooh. Let's get fucking high. Bad pictures, yeah. Smoking on Zaza. Rental car turn to a hot box, ooh. Smelling like a pound when I walk by. This one make me feel like I can fly. I'm too fucking high. I think I'm seeing God mine. I'm in my own zone. Look at me in my eyes. If you think you smoke my weed, then you alive. Ooh, let's sticky icky, roll that sticky icky, roll that sticky icky, roll that sticky icky, roll that sticky icky, oh, roll that sticky icky, roll that sticky icky. I'm the plug, ooh, zips in my purse. Smoking on gas, your hoes be smoking dirt. I ain't high enough, I think I need a perk. Hold on, yeah, I think that work. Ooh, hold on, yeah, used to be hurt, nigga broke my heart. I couldn't even go to work. Fuck all that shit, I gotta make some work. Got off my ass and I've been fucking tired. Smoke my weed and you alive. Ooh, roll that sticky icky, 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 oh, roll that sticky icky, roll that sticky icky, roll that sticky icky. Niggas always wanna smoke and be cool. I'm real quiet with the turn test in the room. Ooh, at the function, smell like weed and perfume. With my bitches, where the hoes, where the fool. Ooh, dirty ass, I don't wanna talk to you. All in my ear with dusty ass shoes. Ooh, smiling in my face, that crooked ass tooth. I'm on some hot shit, man, I'm through. Rubbing me in my eyes. If you think you smoke my weed and you alive. Ooh, roll that sticky icky, 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 oh, roll that sticky icky, roll that sticky icky, roll that sticky icky. Rubbing me in my eyes. If you think you smoke my weed and you alive. Ooh, roll that sticky icky, 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 oh, roll that sticky icky, roll that sticky icky, roll that sticky icky.
I get so much cash in Vegas, I feel like I'm Elvis. Wow! I just bought a new Ferrari, came with a helmet. Go! Trip my bitch in Ferragamo, you can't even spell it. I come repo the dope from you if you couldn't sell it. Going on for sipping lean and freestyling congested. Try to put the pistol on my buddy, it got me arrested. Well connected and respected. How you didn't expect it? Say pulled up truck in the front, new Hummer is electric. These niggas going PC, but Big Wop don't need protection. No, they keep talking about the old Wop. Well, here it is the resurrection. Yeah, I'm known for sipping lean and freestyling congested. Trying to put the pistol on my buddy, it got me arrested. These rappers getting extorted, and it's really getting depressing sad. We know you take the witness stand. We all read your confession. I do it so big, I spent $2 million on a wedding. $2 million. I don't fuck with panhandling ass bitches that be begging. I'm known for sipping lean and freestyling congested. Trying to put the pistol on my buddy, it got me arrested. Wow. I hate going to court. I see the judge and get to sweating. He tried to get away, he couldn't escape. Drake broke his pelvis. Ain't shit nobody can tell me. Now Widow, why you getting selfish? I'm up now, ho, you helpless. Dripping in Giorgio Armani, you smell me. The one known for sipping lean and freestyling congested. Trying to put the pistol on my buddy, it got me arrested. Wow. I do a walk through switching my tricks. I ain't wasting my breath, ho, ain't worth a cent. And this shit personal, make sure we hit. Spin his block back to back, working the switch. One known for sipping lean and freestyling congested. Trying to put the pistol on my buddy, it got me arrested. Wow. I'm tripping from the start to the finish. Nigga, trip. I'm tripping with my niggas and these bitches. Nigga, I got some rap salmons on, not no tripping. Nigga, tripping. Ooh, you geek gon' beat. Two freaks, I just keep SK, Caltech, XPD. OG off codeine, need more lean, need more weed to proceed. I know beats, tall beats. I know Pyrus, I know 9 deuce. If I call them, they gon' kill it too. Call dude, he gon' shoot. Yeah, Thugger took it too. I'm tripping from the start to the finish. Pick up, trip. I'm tripping with my niggas and these bitches. I got some rap salmons on, not no tripping. Pick up, tripping. Ooh, he keep on beat. Two freaks, I just keep SK, Caltech, XP. OG off codeine, need more lean, need more weed to proceed. I know beats, tall beats. I know Pyrus, I know 9 deuce. If I call them, they gon' kill it too. Call dude, he gon' shoot. Yeah, brother took it too. I'm tripping from the start to the finish. Nigga, trip. I'm tripping with my niggas and these bitches. Nigga, I got some rap salmons on, not no tripping. Nigga, tripping. Ooh, living bulletproof. If I was you, I would be mad too. Good shooter, I'm a good shooter. And if I wanna see some titties, I go eat at Hooters. Yeah, yeah, I could be your teacher, cause I got a ruler. My dad ain't hunters for 30 years and they call him Cougar. Yeah, I got ice, baby, fuck your jeweler. Oh, I sip activist straight out the cooler. Whoa, do you know it? I do you, I give you head, I want your Medusa. I'm dripping from the start to the finish. Pick up, drip. I'm tripping with my niggas and these bitches. I got some rap salmons on, not no tripping. Pick up, tripping. Ooh, I done spin it back. 100 bands on a nickel. Whoa, I'm coming in your lane, ready to clash with you, nigga. I'm dripping from the start to the finish. Nigga, trip. I'm tripping with my niggas and these bitches. I got some rap salmons on, not no tripping. Nigga, tripping. Ooh, big 6, yeah, 6 goes in my mouth like an old English can. Little what? I wrote my verse here with 3 bars like an Adidas Stan Smith. Nigga, nigga. Didn't I tell about playing with YSLs? Yeah. Nigga. Didn't I tell you about playing with Lil Jeff? Banging big beats, fuck a bit. Do 150 just because they think it's really, yeah. Bitches from the north, south, east, west, we got plenty, yeah. New Uncle Luke inside your town with way more riches, yeah. Maybe nothing, get some Luke in here ready. Hey, yeah. Make me please, swear to God that I'ma leave a trippin'. I'm drippin' from the start to the finish. Nigga, trip. I'm trippin' with my niggas and these bitches. Nigga, I got some rap simmers on, I'm trippin'. Nigga, trippin', ooh. Dig, keep on trippin', nigga, trip. Dig on the stick, got a trippin', nigga, trip. Dig with my kick, got a trippin', nigga, trip. Big on the lips, don't kiss it, oh, trip. Your daddy ribbon, need it. I need it, ooh. I need it. Try to let you pussy niggas eat. It's time to put you pussy boys to sleep. Sleep, pussy boys always wanna talk. I'm busy getting pussy like a fucking boss. I smell a pussy from a block away. Let's shoot them pussies from a block away. They wanna see a nigga in a cage. Baby mama garnishing a nigga wage. I started with a box Chevy, then I got the blue Lexus. My bitch stay down with me, so now she got the new Lexus. I just went and got the Chevy spray. Fuzzy nigga wanna scratch a nigga paint. Fuzzy nigga wanna see you fall. Bring them choppers when you see me call. I tried to let them fuzzy boys eat, make you fuzzy boys extinct. I took a quarter key to Polk County, my Central Florida nigga straight by. I started with a box Chevy, then I got the blue Lexus. My bitch stay down with me, so now she got the new Lexus. I just went and got the Chevy spray. Fuzzy nigga wanna scratch a nigga paint. Fuzzy nigga wanna see you fall. Bring them choppers when you see me call. Woo! Roll down the brick, I'm back in Bordeaux. Bell paid box Chevy on my car phone. Hello, Shayfield, I win it on a condo. At the crib where I get it by the car. I got my bitch her very own salon. Hair done every day, do what she want. I started in a box Chevy, now my watch up 80 high. I started with a box Chevy, then I got the blue Lexus. My bitch stay down with me, so now she got the lease. I heard them say pussy boys hate. Them spinners coming, stay patient. I made a million milking ocho feet. I'm talking millions with that okey dokey. I'm out and out and it's sweat. Or is it just a nigga necklace? I tried to let you fuzzy niggas see. I pray all you fuzzy boys deceased. Oh, the blocks dressed in white. Some baggage elbows, pocket full of stones, 3 G's and trying to lose these hoes. And the task coming sick cause it's the first of the month. Things on my page like try to take these fools to lunch. Before you jump in the game, let's get one thing understood. If you're selling that ice cream, you got to make sure it's good. Mr. Ice Cream Man, Mr. Ice Cream, ooh, Mr. Ice Cream Man. La la la, I know we're going crazy in the ghetto, try to kill me. My little homie's lost his life. Y'all fools feel me, I pack the gat cause I'm paranoid at nighttime. Brother be pulling jack, I'm in the hood busting gangster rhyme. Fools feel me, I pack the gat cause I'm paranoid at nighttime. Brother be pulling jack, I'm in the hood busting gangster rhyme. Fools feel me, I pack a gat cause I'm paranoid at nighttime. Brother be pulling jack, I'm in the hood busting gangster rhyme. Before you jump in the game, let's get one thing understood. If you're selling that ice cream, you got to make sure it's good and still gotta watch. My backpack in the hood, G, like Spice once said, those fools living like movies. Little kids get by it, I mean my hood is rowdy. I'm trying to make $1.50 before I'm up and high. It's the ice cream man, call me Master P. I got that 2 for $3 caraudio me if you need some D. Me and my little brother Silk, we be ballin', got this thing sold up Texas to Orleans.
Last year, Donnie announced that this year would be the last Slamology to happen at the Lucas Oil Raceway Park, but many attendees say no matter where Slamology is, they'll be there.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.